Ever wondered how startups find investors and raise capital? It's a question that puzzles many, but today you'll receive the answers. We're diving into the world of startup financing, a crucial cornerstone in the journey of innovation and business growth. We'll be exploring the ins and outs of securing investment, understanding its importance, and how it can catapult a simple idea into a thriving enterprise. So strap in and get ready to unravel the mysteries of startup financing. First things first, you need to understand what investors look for in a startup. Picture this: you're an investor with capital to spare. What would make you invest in one startup over another? Well, the answer to this question lies in three fundamental factors. Firstly, a strong business plan is essential. It's your startup's roadmap, outlining your goals and detailing how you plan to achieve them. It's the first thing that investors will scrutinize. No one wants to invest in a ship without a compass, right? Secondly, a dedicated team is crucial. A startup is only as strong as its team. Investors seek out startups with passionate, skilled, and committed teams, a team that can weather the stormy seas of the startup world together. Lastly, a scalable business model is key. It's not just about having a great product or service, it's about demonstrating the potential for significant growth. Can your startup adapt and grow with market changes? Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to venture out and find potential investors. Finding investors isn't about luck, it's about strategy. You see, there are many paths one can take to attract potential investors. Let's explore a few. Networking can be an excellent method. It's all about building relationships. Reach out to successful entrepreneurs, industry professionals, even professors. You never know who might be interested in your venture or who could introduce you to someone who is. Attending industry events is another effective strategy. Conferences, meetups, seminars, these are places where investors often flock. They're looking for the next big thing, and that could very well be your startup. Leveraging online platforms can also be fruitful. Websites like AngelList, Kickstarter, and LinkedIn can be powerful tools in your investment quest. An online presence not only increases your visibility, but it also allows you to connect with investors from around the globe. Now that you know where to find investors, let's talk about how to secure their financial backing. Securing investment is a process that requires careful planning and persuasive communication. Raising capital is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It begins with a compelling pitch where you present your vision, your team, and your strategy to potential investors. This is your chance to tell your story, to make them see the potential in your startup. Next comes the negotiation of terms, a delicate dance where you balance the needs of your business with the expectations of your investors. This stage requires patience, tenacity, and a keen understanding of your business's value. It's not just about getting the money, it's about finding a partner who believes in your vision and can help you grow. Finally, the deal is closed, the funds are transferred, and the real work begins. But remember, this is not the end, it's just another step on your journey. Remember, raising capital is not an overnight process, but with the right approach, you can secure the funding you need to take your startup to new heights. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about startup financing. It all begins with understanding what investors seek in a startup: innovativeness, scalability, and a solid business model. From there, we discuss strategies to find potential investors, like networking and pitching your idea convincingly. Lastly, we explored various methods of raising capital, including crowdfunding and venture capital. That's all for today's guide on startup financing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Keep pushing, keep striving, and remember, your startup's success is closer than you think.